Hello, students and parents. This is Mrs. Belnap. I just want to check in, and for those who you are watching, I want to thank you for all of the hard work that you're doing in math. And for parents, I appreciate all the hard work your students are doing. Just to catch you up, right now we're finishing our unit on functions. This is what we started in January. And the next unit will be on systems of equations. I know that it's been kind of tough. There's been a lot of absences and a lot of quarantine or illness. The best way to try to keep caught up is to go onto the Canvas website for my math page. There's not a lot on there, but there's a link for each lesson that you can click on to print the notes that we talked about in class. And there's also a link for a video that goes through everything we talked about in class. Some of the examples might not be exactly the same, but the material should be pretty accurate for what we talked about in class for those notes. Also, there's a link for a assignment page that you can print off and work on after watching those notes. I don't have an online submission for the assignment pages, so there's no way to just do that online. But if you bring those back into class as soon as you can, you'll still get full credit for any late assignments. Okay, so you can bring them any that we've had since January. You can get full credit on. Each assignment is worth 10 points. So those of you who are caught up before a quiz or before a test, then you know that I'll give you some extra credit points if you're caught up on all your assignments. So that's kind of nice on a quiz or a test. I will be available on the 17th, parent-teacher conference night. I'll be here from 4 to 7. If anybody wants to email and set up an appointment for a phone call or for a Zoom meeting, that would be totally fine. I'd be happy to do that. You can also email me with questions anytime. That would be also perfectly fine. But thank you and have a lovely February.